If you're experiencing pending transfers on Spotify, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your account status. Log into your Spotify account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status. Sometimes pending transfers can be related to account verification issues. Step 3. Clear app cache. If you're using the Spotify app, clearing the cache can help resolve glitches. Go to your device settings, find the Spotify app, and clear the cache to refresh the app's performance. Step 4. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Spotify app. Check your app store for any available updates and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve functionality. Step 5. Contact Spotify support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Spotify support for assistance. Provide them with details about the pending transfers, and they will help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Spotify. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.